Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting tool, website, and methodology that you could use to scale your business. It's called Printify, but how do you integrate Printify and how do you use Printify on Shopify to make sure that you can enhance and use this tool to make sure that you can be financially independent? Now, Shopify.com is a global commerce platform where you can build your business. You can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And one of the major things why I personally love Shopify is the fact that you can discover why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their businesses. And once you have a lot of individuals that are using Shopify, it gives us a chance to understand the mistakes that they've done. And obviously, based on those methodologies, we can ensure that we can find the right methodology, the right strategy to implement to scale our business and to become financially independent. With representation in 170 countries and a total US e-commerce of 10% and a global economic activity of $444 billion, we are set to make sure that we can actually learn from those mistakes and implement a successful strategy. Now, the best thing I love about Shopify is the fact that you can build your own front store and you don't need any coding expertise. That means you don't need to hire a front-end developer or a back-end developer. You can select from customizable templates that are already created by a community of world-class designers. And for that, guys, they have amazing apps as well where you can add more features and functionalities to the online store, which I am going to show you in a second. For you to understand Shopify, one of the major things you have to keep in mind is that the sales channels that are available on Shopify are absolutely brilliant. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations that you would need to get your products in front of customers. And you can back your business up with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that is built to convert. And you can also get a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. You can find new shoppers with the SEO, social media, content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are. And you can build custom email campaigns and set automations to serve every segment and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools. So take control of your customers' data to build custom audiences and explore the customer insights that drive ongoing growth. And you can also manage the inventory, track the payments, and view real-time business insights all in one place that really sets Shopify apart, so you can really focus on building your business and you can get your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management that is streamlined returns and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network. And you can manage all your business finances all from one place with the money management and flexible funding designs with entrepreneurs in mind. Now, there's two ways to sign up. You can either use the link given in the description below and get Shopify for 90 days, or you can simply start the free trial and answer a couple of questions. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is gonna look like. On the left-hand side, you're gonna have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, your discounts, your online store, your Facebook, and your Instagram. You can add apps as well from here. But before we do that, I wanna head over to Printify.com where you can create and sell custom products, guys. And obviously integrating Printify with your Shopify is basic the methodology that we're talking about today that can help you enhance your profits with a robust scaling and a best selection, because they offer some of the lowest prices in the industry, because the print providers continuously compete to win your business, where you can easily handle peak holiday seasons with a wide range of partners and automatic routing functionalities. With the 750 plus products and top quality brands, you can choose the best product for your business. And more than that, guys, one of the major things which I absolutely love is the fact that you can easily design your wide range of products. With the free design tool, you can easily add your custom designs to t-shirt, mugs, phone cases, and hundreds of other products that are available. And it's quite simple and straightforward to do, guys. You create, you sell, and they handle. With custom products, you can easily add your designs to a wide range of products using the free tools, and on your terms, you can choose the products, the sale price, and where to sell it. And from fulfillment, once an order is placed, they will automatically handle all the printing and delivery logistics, and you can connect your account with so many Printify easily integrated with the major e-commerce platforms and marketplaces. And Shopify is right here, which I'm going to show you in a second. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see that there's a lot of elements available, and they're trusted by 4 million sellers worldwide. And it's very simple simple and straightforward, guys. You get a design, you put the design on, and you sell it, and you integrate it, and you can make money risk-free. For example, if you sell a t-shirt for $30, you pay for its production for $12, and your profit is $18. And in that $12, they take care of every single element. So you bring the customer, they take care of the work, and you make money at the end of the day. Now, if you don't have an account, guys, don't worry. What you need to do is quite simple and straightforward. Go right in the top right hand corner and click on sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, you'll be able to start and register your account. Now, you can either continue with Google, which I always go for. You can put your email or your password. Now, I'm going to select my Google account, which is also the account that I'm using for my Shopify. Now, once I click on it, it takes a couple of seconds for it to be connected. And obviously, once it gets connected, then we can sign in. Now, as you can see, everything is set up, and I'm going to click on my store. Once I click on my store, we're going to go with the dashboard. Now, it has asked a couple of questions before we can move forward. We're going to say that I am a social media influencer. The orders are products for myself, it's for my personal use, and we're using Facebook and Instagram to find our Printify, and we want to order a sample or connect our store. So we're going to click on connect our stores, and once we get over here, we'll click on connect. Now, once we click on connect, what's going to happen is that we're going to head over, and they're going to ask that what sales channels do you want to connect to. We're going to click on Shopify, and now we can actually add the Shopify ID over here. So we're going to head back to their Shopify over here, and as you see, if we click over here, we can click on manage the account. Now, once we click on manage the account, we're going to go to our personal information about our account. Now, over here, you'll have your general and you have your security as well. Now, there's two ways to do this, guys. The first one way is to actually use the element over here where you have your Shopify information. So if you go on settings and we just click on this information over here, we'll be able to connect it. So the store name is this one over here. So we're going to take the store name from here, and then we're going to copy it. Or if you want to actually do it from the top, you can also do it from the top. So we're going to take this information here, copy it from here, and head over to Printify and just add our information, and then click on connect. Now, once it connects and connect, it's going to tell us if it's connected or not. Now, what happens is that we're going to head over to the Shopify. It will say that Printify wants to connect with Shopify. So we're going to install this app over here. Now, as we install the app, it'll literally takes a couple of seconds for it to get all set up. And as you can clearly see, the methodology from Shopify and the methodology from Printify is connected together. And that is one of the things I absolutely love about both these platforms, because the level of customization, the level of personalization, and the level of integration is available in an absolutely brilliant manner. Now, the app has been installed. It has the clear information available over here, and you can look on the left hand side that the apps is now available. And if you scroll down, you'll get all the full catalog available, what we want to buy and what we want to get. And we can easily get all these things available on our Shopify account. And if you want to add anything on your Shopify account, all you need to do is click on it and get connected. So if you click on my products, you can see all the products available. You can click on my store, you can click on orders, you can click on any elements available. If you want to sell t-shirts for brands, you can easily do that. You just click on that and then go on the next page, and obviously just follow everything step by step, and you can start designing it. You can get the pricing, and everything is going to be made available for over here. So everything that you need is going to be available in the app on this side. And that is how simple, straightforward, easy it is to set up your account on Printify and connect it with Shopify to ensure that you can sell anything that you want to anyone around the world. And guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And obviously, if you need any clarification, you can also get that as well. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, on your WhatsApp, so more people can find out about Printify and Shopify. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.